What is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop, whoop. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here drop the business tea for free. And y'all, as you can tell by the title, today we're doing something fun. We are putting up my Christmas tree. Okay, you guys, so we are about to put up this tree. It's a little tree, y'all. Like, we about to put it up. So it's currently 10:58. So we about to put this tree up, get it started. You just come along with your girl, and I don't feel like putting socks on, so not too much on my toes now. Okay, not too much. So I'm gonna bring you guys down to the ground, down to the ground, down to the ground, down. Sorry. Alright, so this is the tree, y'all, so let's open it up. I needed a little assistance, y'all, so he about to take it out for me like a true gentleman. Thank you. Thank you, darling. And it's just like I said, y'all, it's just like a 3-piece tree, literally. Lights, your stand, and you're good to go. Alright, y'all, so this is how we looking. I got my tree pieces. So I have this stand here. So we literally are about to put it on the main piece, the bottom piece, which is this one. So I'm going to put it on that. Okay, so this is how we looking. So the stand is on there. You just flip it over, and we're basically halfway done, y'all. Like, alright, y'all. So I got the skirt, and y'all, next year I'm gonna buy some new decorations, but this year we're rolling with the punches. Okay, rolling with the punches. So this is the skirt, holographic, of course. So pretty. And legit put the tree here. I know you're thinking like, girl, that's a big ass skirt for this little ass tree. I know, sis. I know. Alright, y'all, so we have that up. I think I'm gonna just put it together. Let me see if I can find a center. Yeah, I'll just push these down for now, and then get this. Put this on top of there. Push these down. I'm gonna open it just now, y'all. Let me bring you guys up now so you can see me. That's how we looking. And then put this one on top of here. Is this broken? Or is it? Not me having it upside down. Put this on top of there. So that's how we looking so far. So I'm about to open these up and work my way to the top. Okay, so a little closer, honey. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know if you guys celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you want to, whatever you celebrate. happy holidays to you. And let me know if your Christmas tree was been already up, because I kind of late this year. So we're just about to open these up and we'll be good to go to start decorating. Yeah.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year.
Alright y'all, so this is how we're looking so far. We kind of spread it out really, and I'm excited y'all because I bought this like snow spray thing. So we about to be trying that out today. Y'all know I don't read directions, so we just about to get to spraying. Look y'all, y'all see that little spot right there? Wait, hold up, can y'all see? I hope so. Let me do a little. I should have put like some gloves on. I don't want too much. Just a little spritz and dabs. Alright y'all, so this is how we looking. Good so far. Okay. So I think we're ready for ornaments, to be honest. Let me bring you guys over here. Lights go out first before. Oh yeah, lights. Well, we gotta let this dry and then we'll come back. Okay, you guys, so the tree is all dry. Let me show y'all how it's looking so far. I do need to like brush it out a little bit some more. So that's how it's looking so far. I do need to pull out some of the stems a little bit more so you can get some more fluffiness. But it's literally dry out, like, oh no, stuff is coming out my hand. Babe, this don't dry. This not going dry.
Actually, I don't remember how much it was.
I don't know, this one down here look weird, y'all. Unless it got broken. Like somehow.
Shape it like what? Bend it up or down?
Yeah, I want it like up. I want it up like that, it may look weird. Just down here. See if I can connect it like this. Then it look up in the air. Okay. I'll just put it down. Put this one down too. Okay, y'all. I'm not really into shaping. I'm more of a let's just decorate the damn tree type girl. Working with these holographic bulbs to go with my holographic mat. Period. So let's get this baby going. And y'all, I was about to show y'all I kept my thing on there, but it came out. It came out. So this is how the bulb looks. Let me put this back in here first. So this is how the bulb looks. So we about to put that on the tree, like so, like here. And I'm going for like a very simple tree this year, y'all. Oh, actually I have to put the lights on first, so let's do that first. So cute. Very cute, y'all. So we have the yellow-ish lights. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to put the crown on here. Shit.
That's why you don't put it on.
Oh, well, your light's gonna thing up the crown then. I'm so short, y'all. Alright, you guys, your girl is finished with the tree. But before I show y'all, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, period. And let me know what other video ideas I should do for Vlogmas. Well, let's say really like Vlogmas, because I just post some videos when I want to post videos, period. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Wait, watch the mountain of the tree, okay? Thank you.
Making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show forever.